Hello, my name is Steve Herman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in mediumship development and training, well, you've come to the right place. Just smack that subscribe button below. I'm here. You've got questions about mediumship. You want to become the best possible channel for the world of spirit possible. Well, you've come to the right place. Is there one right way to work with mediumship? No, there isn't. You, as an individual, are a unique instrument. How they choose to work with you, well, there's a couple things it's based on. We all have different propensities. Some people have strength in seeing. Some people, maybe they can develop the clairaudience or hearing better. Others sense a lot more extensively. It's different for everybody. The spirits who work with you, they want to expedite the process. So if you're really strong with the visual, they'll work with you primarily with the clairvoyance, just to get you going, just to encourage you with the process. And of course, the other thing is, everyone comes in at a different place in terms of their own self-growth, their maturity, their life experience, which is very, very important. In fact, it's even more important than learning some type of technique of connecting or bringing through certain types of information. Some people, they're just naturally very intuitive and open. And then other people, they're an engineer. Engineers are the worst case scenario. Sometimes in my talks, I'll ask people, is anyone here an engineer? And occasionally one or two will raise their hands. And then I'll ask, is anyone married to an engineer? And there's usually one or two who will also raise their hands. So if you're an engineer, that's great for designing an airplane wing. But when it comes to intuition, you have to be open. Your mind has to be receptive. So they'll work with you based on where you're at. And they have it all planned out. What your strengths are, what your life experience is, greatly can hold you back, or it can greatly enhance the nature of the content that comes through. So don't worry about how other people might be doing with their mediumship. Focus in, moment by moment, on enjoying the process of opening up to the spirit world. And really knowing that as you open up to the spirit world, and even with sometimes maybe there's some error, you make some mistakes, you mistranslate something, that's okay. That's how you're going to learn. Your helpers in the spirit world, they can make adjustments. So these are some ideas for you to think about. Smack that subscribe button below if you haven't already. I've got 2 books, Mediumship Mastery, The Ultimate Guide, and Mediumship Mastery to them. Advanced Techniques That Work, both of which are on Amazon. And I run a lot of different programs on mediumship. But if there's questions you might have, or if I can help in any more way, feel free to comment below or get hold of me. May God bless you, and thank you so much for watching this video.